Text navigation was introduced in RX10. It provides a transcription of a speech recording to text. To enable text transcription for a particular file, you click on the word lane icon at the lower left. Text navigation will take a short while to transcribe the text, depending on the length of the file, and then the text will appear in small tabs above the main waveform spectrogram display, the word lane. It currently works on English language text. Text navigation is meant to be an aid in moving around a longer dialog file. Scrolling through the transcription text can be a more efficient way to locate to a particular section of the file for editing or processing than playing or spotting through it.
Color before really making the final decision.
If an initial scroll through of the text reveals the occasional misspelled or mistranscribed word, it can even be corrected with a double click on the word.
See how that light reflects on each color.
Simply being able to scroll through the text transcription can be a much quicker way to find specific sections of dialogue. But text navigation has additional options to help the user locate certain parts of a dialogue recording. The button to the left of the word lane button opens up the text navigation pane. At the top is a search engine where you can type in a particular word or phrase, and RX will list all instances of that word found in the text transcription. Clicking on each result locates to that part of the file,
color,
providing an efficient way to locate a section of the dialogue recording on a particular topic
colors
without even having to scroll around a long file. The search engine is also capable of doing a fuzzy search. This means that it'll try to identify not only the exact word you enter, but also similar words.
Colors, especially in a small space. Coming from, dark colors, especially in a small space.
That way, if a word was slightly misspelled or mistranscribed, there's still a good chance the search will find it. This actually seems to work very well, often finding words that were not perfectly transcribed. And there's another useful feature in the text navigation pane: speaker identification. In a dialog file that the color-coded text boxes will identify the speaker of each section of text. It can identify up to 8 different speakers. Clicking on the name of the speaker selects all of that speaker's text in the display.
If it's too dark, it will limit your furniture strategy.
Right. I mean, I have a friend who bought a house.
You can even rename the speakers to make it easier to identify specific people in a larger group. Text navigation should prove to be a helpful tool for working in long dialogue files, and no doubt it'll get even better as iZotope continues to tweak it.